Hi everybody, George Chamberlin here, watching your dollars on this Friday. We finally have made it to the end of August. Today's the 31st of August. Hope you all have a good Labor Day weekend ahead of you. I hate to beat up on Facebook, but more bad news for the company. Let's take a look at the stock. Mike, I hate to make you do this. Come on over here, buddy. Here's a chart for the stock ever since it went public. Remember, it went public back here at $38 a share. Had a little bit of a nudge up the first day it went trading, and then it's just been, had a little smoothing out here in June and into July, and then boom, it just started dropping here. Here's when a lot of the insiders, people that had big investors who had shares of Facebook were able to finally begin to sell those shares. They're locked up, as the expression goes, and that's when the stock fell apart. And then this morning we're dropping to a new all-time low, $18.34. Remember, $38 a share. $18 a share right now, so it's down more than half of its IPO price. Here's the problem this morning. Wall Street analyst at Bank of America came out with a negative rating on it, and he said he anticipates the stock will likely drop down to around $15 a share. The reason for that is there's still a lot of stock out there that is locked up. All these insiders who own stock can't sell it. And it's got to be killing them, because they're watching this stock fall and they're wondering, what's it going to be worth when I finally can sell it? The big date to mark on your calendar is November 14th. That's when the last group, and it's a lot of stock, is going to get dumped on the market, and we could see it down to that $15 range. I don't know. I have no idea. But many people believe at that point in time, when all this locked up stock has finally gotten out on the market, that's finally when we'll see maybe the potential for the stock to go up. But there's so much stock out there, it would be really hard for the stock to get back up to that $38 range anytime in the foreseeable future. It's been a really sad story, hasn't it? I guess the only guy that doesn't really care about this is the guy that owns the company, Mark Zuckerberg. He's got his billions, and he's as happy as a clam. Watching your dollars, I'm George Chamberlin. Have a good weekend.